Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to run Python in Windows or in any of your system without installing Python software. So this video will be useful to learn Python even from your Android mobile browser or from your laptop or from your system at anywhere, anytime without installing the Python software. So let's move to the video. So without installing Python, what we are going to do is we just open a browser, and from that browser itself we are going to run the program. So it will be easy for us to learn Python without installing the software. So you just open your browser, any of your browser, and type the name repl.it. So this is the software website, and we just open this one. Here the home page is open. So just log in. I am going to log in with my Google. Log in with my Google account. Now you get this home page. Here you can see create Python and click create REPL. See, you will find a page. This is the page for typing the coding, and this is page where you can get the output of your coding. I am going to type my coding. Print welcome to Python program. So to run this program, you just click run. See, in this page you find the output, welcome to Python program. This will be the easy way that you can learn Python programs. You just type the programs here and you can check the output here. You no need to install any software here in your Windows for this one. So for especially this will be helpful for the students. They can learn using their mobile also, just by typing the program and finding the and decoding it. You can easily learn the programs, Python programs using this website. Hope this video will be useful for you and enjoy coding. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.